Xindun Power Technology Company. Today we will talk about inverter factory at consumer, wholesale and retail. How to choose the product factory for you to buy the product for you. At first, we will choose this is the true factory or the trade company. As you can see, if the true factory, they have the production plant, two set of different production line. That is the true factory. The trade company, they didn't have this. As you see here is the Xindun factory plant. We have 6,000 square meters production plant, two set of different production line. And we also have advanced R&D team, as well as we have 2 years research, development, and increase our product quality for our production. And we also passed the international certification such as CE, IEC, and TUV like this. As well as we also have the strict quality control company, and we also provide pre-sale and after-sales department to support our customers. So if you have any requirements, you can contact us. Thank you. Thanks for your watching. Bye.